Close your eyes again. You know, we are talking fire. We raise the song. I will press and press till I burn the world. There's a fire inside me. The fire inside you have not been able to burn masturbation away. You want to go and burn the world. How? How? The fire this fire that you are talking, it has not been able to burn lying tongue away. You want to burn the world. How? Let the fire burn us first. The reason for the fire of God when it comes upon a man is that it purifies.